Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can design the certificate on Adobe Express. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Adobe Express. So as you can see, I've already opened it, and after that, you need to create an account on that. And after creating account, as you can see, now we need to go to the marketing section. And after going to the marketing section, we have to scroll. And after scrolling, as you can see, you are going to see the option which is called certificate design. So we have to choose the certificate design. So I'm going to scroll down, and as you can see, now you will see the certificate. So we have to click on the certificate, and after clicking on the certificate, you will be redirected to this page, and you are going to get some templates here. You have to choose that which template you want to use. So let's choose that. So as you can see, now it's open. Now we have to select the template, that which template we want to use. If you want to search, you can also do that. I'm going to certificate here, search certificate. So let's write the certificate and let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, you are going to get a lot of certificate templates. As you can see, the certificate templates are here. Now you need to select that which template you want to use. For example, I want to use this one, so I'm going to click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, the certificate will be open. Now if you want to edit the things, you can also do that. All the things are provided here. If you want to edit the text, you can also do that. You click on the text, and the editing options will be here. You can edit all the text. If you want to edit this one, or if you want to edit the color, you can edit each and everything here, color, etc. So in this way, you can design a certificate on Adobe Express. It's very easy to understand, and it's very easy to use as well. So after doing these all things, you have to click on the download button, and you need to select the format, that in which format you want your certificate, and then you have to hit the download button, and the certificate will be downloaded. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.